Hello my crafty friends, this is Lori, Girl on the Ridge. I am back with a tutorial on, I guess, a bag craft sacks. This, I just showed in a book that I did, Miss Sunday, and I was totally inspired by Angie from Practice Makes Pretty. She sent Denise a happy mail, so I was watching that video because I needed something for that book. And I was stuck, so I just kind of go YouTube surfing, and I came across that. It was on my to-do list, but it was way on the list. So what it was is bags. All right, this is what I'm working on. So it's one of these little bags. I'm in frame here, and it goes this way, and you can fill them with little tags. Receipts. The one I did for Sunday, the book I just did, it was for receipts because she was working in a mercantile, so I was thinking, that's the way I was headed. So these are just really fun. You can use them 100 different ways. So this will be posted today too. This is another one of those bag journal fun things. So how you do it and my interpretation of it was I took 3 bags. Now these I get my bags from A Tattered Dream, Denise's shop. She has all different ones. These and these. The 4x6 glassine craft bags. You can mix them up. All right, let's do these little ones first. These are the 4x6s. I folded them one way. And then fold them. And then, let's see, I'll put it this way. You can put it any way you want. I just like this tag up front. And then we'll put that backwards inside. No, this way. And that's pretty basic. And then I just unfolded it and I put a piece of material and then just sewed it on my sewing machine. I do not know, I guess you could staple it. I don't know how else you can do it without sewing. Yeah, glue. There might be, I'm sure somebody knows how to do it, and somebody else has done this. This is not my idea. So this is the one I did. I used the glassine bags. So I will, darn it, I thought I had, dang it. I thought I had everything. My scissors, hang on. Try to have everything ready, and it never works. So I cut the tops of my bags off so I can have more room for tags. And what I like so far is just decorating the front page. And then maybe stamping, let's see, I used the wrong ink. I don't know what happened there, but maybe just some script writing on these pages. Like I said, I would probably do these for Christmas, fill them with tags, or I got some nieces' birthdays in November, fill them with Christmas tags that they can use. So straighten that up. Okay. So I will decorate the front page. Let's see. I had some little picture here. And the craft, but you can use, this is all stuff from Denise's shop. Let's see, this way. This is some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. I will ink this up. This is Archival ink, coffee. Yeah, I love the receipts lately. So we're just gonna plop that down there, maybe. And then, so this is gonna go into my pink one. So I took this picture, and even though, I made other copies, I'm going to have to I'm going to have to rip it a little because I just love that rough look. And then I'll ink her up. You see I had this. And then to break that up, I usually have, I could use, right in the way here. I can use that, or I can use, oh, I will use this. This is a piece of, it was a gold satin. It was $2 for, I think it was in the clearance, $3 or $2 for 3 yards in Walmart. And I just soaked it in coffee and I ripped it into strips. And that's what I'm using for seam binding or sari silk. I don't know what. It wouldn't be sari silk. But it works and it's pretty, especially with the coffee dye. I should be using my Fabri-Tac, but that's almost gone, so. And I'll just put that up here. And that's pretty much it. The blue. Because the tags I will put in there, I'll have, let's see, like the material sticking out. So that's, yeah. So that's what I'll do on that. And then for the other pages, like I did the other books, I just took some material and just put tabs all different ways, just to give each page some texture. And then you can even stamp on a word there if you want. And maybe this is from Denise. The green and the pink. So I have to cut. Isn't that pretty? And I'll make sure and link her shop below. Whoop, what did I do? Where did we go? And I'll have, and I would get a, I would close this with a big altered paper clip. We're just gonna, again, this is gonna go into a shabby journal. So there. And then by putting the white and the white and cream, it won't be too busy, but it'll look really pretty. So that's that one. Now this one, I'll set that one aside. This one, let's make sure I'm not going over. We're good. This is also from Denise's shop, and being this is kind of in the blues, we will just put a little, by just picking up a little of your focal point in any project, it just, because right now well, it really doesn't. Well, yeah, it does. Here's the green. But by just adding a little of the blue, I'll just put it in the bottom. Tuck it in. Trim it up. And you could do this with just, I mean, any kind of little ribbon. And tuck it in there. And then when I stick this in here, you get that little extra pop. I'll straighten it out. I'm not really, but that's, and I'll probably put something there to just pick up the blue, and that just makes it, like I said, bring it all together. Now, say I would do this one. Say we'll put this, I'll put this way. And another one, like a big one. I would, like I said, I would sew it this way, and then this would be my decorated piece. And being it's a little busy, I would take some music paper, just rip it up. Rip, I don't measure. I eye it. I don't want to cover up the whole thing. I like the different shape. Now I'm just ink it up. I do like this coffee. And then we'll get some more cheesecloth. It's funny, when I was doing that other book, some of the slang in it, when I had a Western party, I had like 6 couples, and the husbands were given a sheet, and they were supposed to tell their wives all through dinner how purty you look, or she sure is purty, with the correct saying, and every time they said that, they got a ticket for prizes afterwards. So it was a fun, long dinner. Okay, then I would probably, let's see, let's get a little of, this is just some muslin. Yeah. Yep. Again, I would be using Fabri-Tac, but I left my good bottle home. And then I made these little cards. I never used these from Tim Holtz. So when Gina Firefly Studio did them on the bigger cards, I said, oh, I had these, so I'll try these. So we're just going to stick that there. Make a little tuck. So we got music and a little ballerina. And that's it. That's all I would decorate it with, I think. And then again, I would concentrate on the tags sticking up and making them. So I will probably, when I get all my tags made, I will do a quick tutorial on that. So I'm going to try to upload this one and then come back with the punches, because I need some punch out belly bands and stuff. So I will come back with that video. So give it a try. Again, it was under Practice Makes Pretty. A Happy Mail, probably about a year ago. I will talk to you later. Bye.